Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick review of the best rice cooker, CUCKOO CR0375FG3 Cup Micom Rice Cooker. Uncover the pleasure of effortless cooking with CUCKOO's CR0375FG3 Cup Micom Rice Cooker. As an industry leader and trusted Korean brand, CUCKOO aims to provide top-tier quality kitchenware and home products. Rediscover the convenience of cooking with our 3-cup Micom Rice Cooker. Key features: multifunctional cooking, with 10 cooking options to choose from including white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal. Cooking is convenient with this multifunctional device. 6-cup cooked capacity, ideal for small family gatherings and entertaining guests. This rice cooker offers the perfect serving size with a 6-cup cooked capacity. Smart automated technology, experience the convenience of a reheat function, perfect for warming up leftovers, as well as preset timer capabilities that allow you to prepare ingredients in advance. Easy-to-use functionality, effortlessly cook perfect rice with user-friendly digital controls, a modern LCD display, and fuzzy logic technology. Complete customization, tailor the texture and flavor of your rice by adjusting the cooking temperature and soaking time. Included accessories, comes with a product manual, rice spatula, and rice measuring cup. Hassle-free cleaning. Cleaning is made easy with the removable nonstick inner pot, detachable inner lid, and auto-clean mode. Experience cooking made easy with CUCKOO CR0375FG3 Cup Micom Rice Cooker. If you're interested in purchasing a CUCKOO CR0375FG3 Cup Micom Rice Cooker, please click the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and tap the notification bell.